Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preeti. In today's video, I'm going to show you this festive eye makeup look. I really hope you like this makeup. It's perfect if you have small or hooded eyes and if you want to make them look a bit bigger. So I hope you like it. But before getting into the video, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll take purple eyeshadow and apply it in my outer corner, and I'm going to take it all the way to my inner corner. Apply it just above my natural crease in a half circle shape. Next, I'll take pink shade and apply above the previous shade. Time to cut the crease to create halo eye. I'm going to carve it with help of a concealer. Next, I'm going to take every shade that I've used from darker to lighter, and I'm going to apply it on both sides of the crease. Next, I'm going to apply glitter on my eyelid. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply kajal and then I'm going to smoke it out. So here's the final look. I hope you guys like this eye look, and I think this will be perfect for this festive season. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.